In this lecture, we're going to be taking a look at the SQL case statement. The case statement in SQL Server is similar to the control flow statement if else. This statement evaluates a series of conditional expressions provided in when and returns the result set. So let's take a look at the syntax. Input expression is an expression you want to check. So for instance, it could be a column that you want to operate on, or even a variable. The when clause tests multiple expressions. The query will compare the value of the expression against the input expression. If it is true, the result expression is returned. The result expression is returned if the test expression is equal to the input expression, right? And if they are not equal, then the default expression will be returned. So here I have a query that returns the employee job title, birth date, marital status, hire date, and gender. So let's execute this query and examine the result. So when we take a look at the marital status column and the gender column, both of them are initials. However, let's say we wanted to present the data and say if there's a M, then we want the result to show male, or if there's a F, then we show gender. Then we can rewrite this query using the case statement. So here we have the case, the expression to be checked, which can be like a column or a variable, right? And then we have the when clause and the value to be evaluated, right? So when the gender is M, then output male. When the gender is F, then output female, else not applicable. And to end the statement, we use the end and we have the alias as gender, right? So if we execute this, you'll notice that you are no longer seeing M, but instead you are seeing male and female in the result set. We could also do the same for marital status. So let's copy this. So instead of gender this time, we're going to check marital status. So if the marital status is S, then we're going to say single. If the marital status is M, then we're going to say married. So instead of end as gender, we're going to end as marital status. Let's remove this one from the initial output. Now let's execute. And now that you can see that we have single and married representing marital statuses. So using the case statement is a great way to present data in a more meaningful way.